Have you ever wondered why your skin gets goosebumps or why your saliva never seems to run out? The answers are some strange and interesting facts about our bodies. Get ready for an adventure into the odd and amazing things our bodies can do. Let's explore the unique details that make our bodies interesting and wonderfully peculiar. Hello everyone, welcome to Freaking Facts. Today, we're here to discover the weird facts about the human body that were previously unknown to you. Hit that subscribe button to stay in the cosmic loop because things are about to get out of this world. Ready? Let's get started. Number 10. Stomach drum roll. You know that rumbling in your stomach? Well, it's like a drum roll, and the reason behind it is a cool dance called peristalsis. Imagine it as a rhythmic, automatic wave that helps move things through your gut, making sure digestion stays on point. So, when your stomach starts its noise symphony, it's basically doing the wave, performing a complicated dance to break down what you ate. Number 9. Skin's goosebumps. Ever get those little bumps on your skin? They're like a reminder of our furry ancestors. Way back when tiny muscles around each hair would puff up their fur, keeping them warm. It was like nature's way of giving them a comfy coat. But now, with our not-so-furry bodies, it just makes our skin look a bit funny. And that tingly feeling when we're scared or remember something emotional? That's an old defense trick. Animals used to puff up to look bigger and scarier. We still get the sensation, but without the extra fluff, it's not as impressive on us. Number 8. Why do we get hiccups? Ever thought about why we get hiccups? It's those spasms in our diaphragm that make us gulp air and produce that funny sound in our throat. Even though hiccups might seem weird now, they were important 370 million years ago. Back then, our early ancestors had both gills and lungs, and there was a risk of water getting into their lungs. That's where hiccups came in handy. They helped dislodge the water and prevent choking. Now, we don't have gills, but we still get hiccups from time to time, a quirky reminder of the days when our ancestors were comfortable both on land and in the water. Number 7. One side breathing. Ever notice how, when you have a cold, only one nostril feels blocked and it switches sides during the day? It's all part of the nasal cycle, a cool process even in a healthy nose. Believe it or not, we breathe through just one nostril at a time. The blocked nostril is just taking a rest. Want to check? Put your hand under your nose and you'll probably feel your breath more on one side. Number 6. Your pinky is the strongest finger. Think your pinky is just a weak link? Think again. It might not contribute half, but it's a real powerhouse, giving about a third of your grip strength. Studies found that when the pinky teams up with the ring finger, they make up more than half of your grip strength, and the pinky alone brings in a solid 33%. In the finger strength contest, the pinky takes the top spot as the strongest among the 5. So, when you slide a ring onto that little finger, remember you're celebrating the unsung hero of hand strength, proving that even the smallest parts can pack a powerful punch. Number 5. Babies have 64 more bones than adults. When you were born, you had about 270 bones in your body, quite a bone party. But as you grew up, some of these bones teamed up and fused together, leaving you with 206 bones as an adult. Even your skull, arms and legs joined this bone teamwork. Here's a fun fact. When babies come into the world, they're missing a key bone, the kneecap. Imagine little legs without kneecaps. Over time, these tiny kneecapless legs transform as soft cartilage turns into the strong patella bone during the early years of childhood. It's like your very own bone transformation story. Number 4. Unique fingerprint patterns. You might think fingerprints are just for detective work, but did you know that each person's fingerprint is entirely unique? Even identical twins have different fingerprint patterns. The ridges, loops, and whorls on your fingers are formed by random processes in the womb, making your fingerprints one of a kind. No one else in the world has the exact same fingerprint as you, making it a truly individual mark that sets you apart. So, the next time you're pressing your fingers on a scanner, remember that you're leaving behind a tiny masterpiece of nature's artwork. Number 3. You have a tail before you're born. You had a tail once. A long time ago, your early ancestors had tails for balance. And guess what? Before you were born, you had a tiny tail too. Around the 5th week of pregnancy, a growing baby starts making a tail with 10 to 12 little bones. But here's the thing, it doesn't stick around for long, usually disappearing before week 8. What's left behind? Your tailbone, officially called the coccyx. Sometimes, lucky babies are born with a special surprise, a true vestigial tail, a little reminder of our tailed past. Number 2. Mouth's 40,000 litre pool. You want your own swimming pool? Well, guess what? You already have one in your mouth. Imagine diving into a pool of saliva. Those tiny droplets are just a taste of the 40,000 litres you produce in a lifetime. Picture this. It's enough to fill 500 bathtubs or 2 entire swimming pools. Who would have thought your mouth is a buzzing saliva factory? So, next time you're daydreaming about a refreshing dip, just remember, your saliva is the secret pool you never knew you had, nature's own liquid oasis. Number 1. Nature's Eye Refreshment. Ever thought about blinking? It's so natural that we often don't notice it, but blinking is a superhero move for our eyes. On average, we blink about 15 to 20 times per minute, and each blink lasts only a fraction of a second. Why is this so crucial? Well, blinking keeps our eyes moisturized, protects them from dust and debris, and even helps distribute nutrients across the cornea. Without blinking, our eyes would be dry, irritated, and more prone to infections. So, the next time you blink, remember that it's not just a reflex, it's your eyes thanking you for their superhero moment. So, that's all we have for this video. But there's a lot of weird facts that are ready to be revealed. If you want to know more, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned for our new freaking facts. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.